Hey guys, CBRC here, and I just wanted to show you another update for the farm tractor project. I think we're ready for a test drive. Still don't have body panels on it. I need to do that. I know, guys, I know. But I think it's running. I had it up on the jack and I was testing it, making sure it wasn't it didn't like throttle out or anything, or run away on me before I did this test with y'all. But I think she's ready. I really do. So without further ado, let's put you on a tripod and start this thing up and see if it rips. Well, not too bad. It's supposed to be slow, so, but whatever. Hey guys, I say that is a very conclusive test. It did move under its own power, and the fact that I can, have it go and be controlled by a servo, that means we can make this remote controlled, and I don't have to do that the whole time around. But it moved, and that's a win. So now we gotta get the 3-point hitch working, because I want to be able to mow lawns with this thing, and you gotta do the body work. So now that the drivetrain is figured out, we can get to work and finish up this project and be done with it. Then after that comes the Mart cart, and once the Mart cart is built, I'll show you that. I'll even ask the person I'm giving it to if we could have his permission to film giving it to him. But hey, guys, this is awesome. This made my weekend. So thank you to all those who watch this. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button and hit that bell so you can stay in tune with more projects like this. So till next time, guys.